Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Waken Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Target. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in target.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Target website. Now if you don't already have an account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then tap on create account. You will then be taken into your sign up page. Just type in your preferred email address within the email address box and then enter your first and your last name. Finally, create your desired password for your account within the create password box, and you can also enter your phone number if you wish. Finally, click on the create account button and you will be asked to enter your date of birth, which is also optional. Finally, click on join for free option and then click on continue, and now you will be welcomed to your newly created account on Target right away. You can proceed with starting to shop and add your payment methods and also make changes to your account from the account section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Target. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.